Hi all, welcome to another video of Indian Financial Service. In this video is a continuation of part 1 and part 2 of the insurance service video. In the part 1 video we discussed about the concept of insurance and different characteristics of insurance. All these things are there, and in part 2 video we discussed about the concept of life insurance, then different types of life insurance policies, reinsurance. All these things are there in the second part. This is the third part of the video. Here in this video we discuss about the concept of general insurance and what are the different types of policies in general insurance situation. Let us see the concept of insurance. Insurance is a contract that do not comes under the ambit of the life insurance, that is called general insurance. So in the insurance contract situation, there are certain things which is ambit under the concept of life insurance, which is not comes under the ambit of the concept of life insurance, are called general insurance. The different forms of general insurance are fire insurance, marine insurance, motor vehicle insurance, accident insurance, and other miscellaneous types of non-life insurances. So all the insurance other than the life insurance will be comes under the purview of general insurance. It can include personal health insurance, insurance of property against fire, natural calamities, etc., that covers during the trips or travel, personal accident insurance, liability insurance, etc. Here it includes all forms of insurance apart from life insurance. General insurance is also offers corporate coverage like coverage against errors and omissions by professionals. That is actually it is a type of indemnity or guarantee that is giving, or it is in the part of employee insurance or credit insurance. All these things will be comes under the purview of a general insurance situation. The most common form of general insurance are car or motor insurance, health insurance, marine insurance, travel insurance, accidental insurance, fire insurance, and other than the other product that fall under non-life insurance. And here the general insurance is an insurance of asset. We can go through the financial assets that will becomes under the preview. If due a particular contingency which is covered under the plan and there is an economic loss, the loss is compensated by the general insurance policies. So there is a loss or damage for the property or asset that is compensated by the general insurance policies. Let us see the top advantages of general insurance plans. It is benefit because of certain reasons. Let us see some of the reasons. The plans cover financial loss and compensate you for the loss that you suffer. Actually, if you have some sort of loss, the plans that will cover the financial loss and compensating the losses that you suffer. It provides a type of financial security even in case of contingencies. If you have a certain types of contingency, this policy will provide you the financial security or the stability during the time of contingencies. In some cases, general insurance plans are mandatory by law, and for example, if you take a motor vehicle, as per the Motor Vehicle Act, motor vehicle insurance is compulsory. So you have to take the policy if you buy a motor vehicle. So in this case it is a compulsory policy. You have to take a compulsory policy at the time of taking a vehicle. General insurance plans helps in protecting your savings in emergency situation. So for example, there will be a situation of accident for your motor car. The amount of loss will be compensated by that particular insurance company. So it is a type of savings. If something is happened for your that is a vehicle or your ship or your factory, so whatever it is, that is a type of savings, and you can therefore use your savings to fulfill your financial goals. And in addition to that, there are some types of plans like health insurance plans, which are the types of general insurance plans allow you to get some sort of tax benefits. The premiums paid for such plans are allowed as deduction under section 80D of Income Tax Act. So actually, if you are taking a health insurance policy or plan, this deduction will help you in lowering your taxable income, which in turn lower your tax liability and help you to save tax. So you can reduce the tax liability under section 80D of Income Tax Act if you take a health insurance policy. If you buy an insurance policy under general insurance category, you have to go through certain things. The most important things are like this. You have to choose a plan which you request. A lot of plans are available, and you should select a plan which is most benefit for your situation. So that is choosing a plan which you request. Then the second important factor is that once you choose the plan, once you've taken a plan, and you have to ensure that the plan that you have taken will cover it is optimal to cover your financial loss. That is the second important thing. You have taken a plan, and the plan that you have taken is optimal to cover your financial loss. That is the most important thing. And the third one is the premium of the plan should be affordable. You have chosen a plan, and your plan is okay for meeting your financial loss. At the same time, there will be situation of a payment of premium, and the plan should be affordable. That plan should be affordable for paying the premium. So you have the capacity of the person should be evaluated based on your requirements. Then there will be a comparison from the part of taking the policy. You have to go through different policies of different general insurance companies. A lot of general insurance companies are there. You have to go through the policies of different companies, and you take the best policy according to your requirements. So that is the another thing that you have to remember. So these are the points that you have to consider while buying a general insurance policy. So once you take a policy, general insurance policy, you have to produce certain documents for your verification of certain things, like the proposal form of the policy, then the identity proof of that particular person, then age proof, then address and all that things that you have to produce documents for verifying the address, details of the assets which being covered. Like if you take a motor insurance policy, you have to mention about the type of vehicle that you are going to insure, that is its capacity, the year of manufacture, then the present cost of the vehicle. All these things that you have to be clearly mentioned in the policy. And another thing, you have to submit the photographs and other types of document that will be required for that is getting the policy that you have to buy. So all other types of document that you have to submit for getting the policy, that is also required for taking a general insurance plan. Let us see some of the different types of a general insurance plan. And the first one, as we discussed about the health insurance situation, health insurance plans covers medical expenses which you incur if you fall ill or are injured and need medical assistance. If you fall ill or there will be a situation of injury and you need medical assistance, in that case you have to take a health insurance plan. Since the cost of medicine is very high, health insurance plans provide a support for purchasing for your medicine and all that things, and it is very much beneficial for the person who are taking the insurance. They pay for the medical expenses, thereby saving your finance from the strain of cost incurred on your treatments. So actually it is a type of support that is given for a medical treatment. In addition to that, that will be giving support for income tax deduction also, savings for income tax deduction also. That is once you are taking a health insurance policy under section 80D. A lot of companies are there, like Star Health Insurance is there, and SBI Health Insurance is there. A lot of health insurance companies are there. You have to go through different plans and select the best plan according to your requirements. And the second one is the motor insurance. Motor insurance plans are generally insurance plans for your vehicles. The plans are mandatory as per the law. As per the Motor Vehicles Act, the taking the policy is mandatory and have to be bought for every vehicle so that the vehicle is allowed to run on Indian roads. If you are going for purchasing a vehicle, if you want to run the vehicle on Indian roads, you should take motor vehicle insurance. There are two types of policies available in the market, that are third party liability policy and a comprehensive policy. Third party plans are legally mandatory while comprehensive plans are voluntary. And third party plans covers only the financial liabilities suffered if you harm any individual or third party's property. So if you harm any individual or third party's property, the claims will be there in cases of a third party policy. A comprehensive plan also covers the damages offered by your vehicle itself. If you have a comprehensive plan, you give protection for yourself and the third party. So there are two types of policies, that is a third party policy and a comprehensive policy. A lot of companies are there, like ICICI Lombard is there, National Insurance is there, New India Insurance is there. A lot of companies, they are offering different types of policies for your motor vehicles based on the requirements, that is a purchasing year, the cost of the vehicle, then the types of that is the policy that you are taken, based on which you can select your policy. Then the another one is the travel insurance. Travel insurance plans are those which cover financial emergencies that you face when you are traveling to another place. These plans therefore cover your trips against unforeseen emergencies. If you have certain type of unforeseen emergencies, travel insurance plan will be helpful for meeting such type of unforeseen emergencies. And some of the features of travel insurance plans are: it can be benefit for an international travel insurance plans, domestic travel insurance plans, then students travel insurance plans, senior citizens travel insurance plans, single trip policies. For a single trip you can take a policy, and annual multi-trip policy. So different types of travel insurance plans are there. You can select the plan according to your requirements. Then another type of general insurance is the home insurance. Home insurance plans covers the financial loss that you suffer in cases of your home and or its content are damaged. So there will be a damage for your home or some content in your home, it is damaged. It will be helpful for getting a coverage for the financial loss. Home insurance policies therefore provide financial coverage against natural and man-made disasters which causes a loss to your property. And let us see some of the features of home insurance policies. The structure of insurance which covers the structure of your home. You have to frame the structure of your insurance based on the structure of your homes. The contents of your insurance which covers the contents of your home. So what are the things that will be there in your home that insurance will cover? If you take a comprehensive policy in this case, that will cover both the structure as well as the content of your home. The policy covers natural calamities like earthquake, flood, storm, cyclones, etc. So it will be helpful for supporting the natural calamities like earthquake, flood, storms, cyclones, etc. So home insurance actually you can take as based on your requirements. You can select certain items and you can go for insurance, and there will be a comprehensive plan that you can take both the structure as well as the contents of your home. So you can take a policy for your structure as well as the contents in cases of a comprehensive policy. Let us see the next type of general insurance, that is the fire insurance. It covers the damages caused by fire and other related perils. So there are some types of damages that is caused due to fire and other types of perils. The policy covers the damages suffered by the property or a specified asset due to the situation of fire. The policy covers the cost of repairs or replacement of the insured's asset when it is damaged by fire or related perils. There will be a situation of fire or related situations of fire. The policy that will give financial assistance and support for repair the asset or replacing the asset. Let us see some of the features of the fire insurance plans. It is a type of a valued policy. It may be a floating type of policy. It may be a specific type of policy. It is focusing for certain product only, or it is a comprehensive policy for covering the entire factory and asset. So you can take the policy, fire insurance policy, according to your requirements. Let's see some of the other type of general insurance policies. So what we have discussed some of the insurance policy. There are some other types of policies are there, like the marine insurance policy is one of such type of policies in which there will be insurance for your product, that is transmitting via ship from one place to another. Normally once you're transferring goods via ship from one country to another country or one place to another place, so you have to take a marine insurance policy for the damage or loss caused during the time of transit. Then another type of policy is the commercial general liability insurance, and another one is the directors and officers insurance. It's a type of general insurance policy. As present situation, you need a policy for protecting the cyber attack, like something is happened for your system or your computer. You can take a cyber risk policy for a protection against the harm due to cyber attacks. Then there are some other types of policy for the professional indemnity insurance, like professional guarantee insurance, that is also comes under general insurance policies. And there are some other types of insurance like group insurance. Group insurance plans will be there, so that will be comes under general insurance policies. In addition to that, you can take a general insurance policy for your assets or product or anything like mobile phone and all, for protecting the product against the damage or loss. So that's all regarding the presentation in this video of general insurance. Here we discuss the concept of general insurance and what are the advantages of general insurance and what are the different types of general insurance policy situations. So thank you all for watching this part 3 of general insurance video, and see you all in the next video. Thank you.